Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Just a quick catch up on the back garden. It's not looking great. This is a bit that I grassed over last year. As you can see, that's my old lawnmower. Luckily, a friend of mine gave me this. It wasn't running at the time. The throttle cable and the choke cable broken. I'm not sure I knew one of those, but what I've done with it is just take this off for starters, and then I filled it full of petrol. This has got some petrol in it, so just to get it going, just gonna put a little bit of petrol in there, and then it should run then, hopefully. Should be able to get it going then. So trying to do this one-handed. So pull. So yeah, got it going. I've got it set on its minimum. Oh yeah, look at that, absolutely amazing. What a difference a petrol more makes. No more struggling. Get this last bit done. So yeah, I'm going to go around here, get all this cut, go all the way around there. I also got a petrol strimmer now, so just let that finish. Got these delphiniums here. Wow, these were grown from seed. Wow, metallic electric blue, amazing. So yeah, I'll carry on with this. I'm going to go around, do all the edges, do up here, get all this done, tidy it all up. Then I'm going to come back. I'm going to get this re-edged. Look at where all the rubbish has been over the winter. Weed all this, get some cosmos planted, get all this weeded, and then the back garden should start looking pretty nice. Look at my rose bush there, absolutely love that. Amazing and scented, gorgeous. So yeah, that's my free Mountfield lawnmower, which I'm over the moon about. Thank you very much, mate, appreciate it. Thank you for donating that to the good cause, my garden. So yeah, if you've got any questions about anything in my garden or greenhouse, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like these videos, please subscribe, and as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Say bye, monkey. Bye, Paul. Bye, monkey.